Dear students, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our topic is vocabulary of course book. I'm going to read the statement part B. Name the colors and shapes you see in the flags below. Students, these are the flags of the different countries in colored form, and we have to write the colors of these flags and shapes. First of all, number 1, the flag color is green, white, orange. So we will write here green, G-R-E-E-N, green, white, W-H-I-T-E, white, orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange, and its shape is rectangle. So we will write here rectangle. First of all, students, you will draw the lines like this. Number 2, this one is a flag and its color is red and white. R-E-D, red plus white. Red and white, and its shape is, this one is cross, so we will write here cross in red color plus rectangle. Number 3, its flag color is red, blue and white. So we will write here red, blue plus white, and its shape is triangle and rectangle. Triangle and rectangle. So we will write here triangle plus rectangle. Number 4, this one is flag and its colors are red, blue and white. Red, blue, white. We will write here red, blue, white, W-H-I-T-E. And if we will talk about the shape, so it's triangle, triangle, this one, star, star, and the last one is rectangle. Number 5, the color of the flag, this is a flag of Pakistan, you know it, and its color is white and green. W-H-I-T-E, white, green. And its shape is star, S-T-A-R, star, crescent, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent, plus rectangle. The last one is flag and colors are white and red. And if we will talk about the shape, shape is rectangle. Circle. You can see here. So finally, students, we have written the names of the colors of the given flags, and also we have mentioned the shapes. So students, these are the pictures of flags. You can see here. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Hello students, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back again. Today we will learn simple present tense from course book and workbook. How to form a simple present tense. When to use a simple present tense. Today we will learn first person, second person and third person. And when we use verb by adding es or s. So dear students, we use words in the simple present tense to talk about facts and things that are always true. I'm going to read the sentences. Every country has a flag. The sun rises in the east. Sri Lanka is an island. We live on planet Earth. So students, we add S with verb with a single object. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of verb given in brackets. Number 1. The sun dash setting every evening. So here the verb is set. We will add S with the object sun. Sun is singular. So we will write here sets. Number 2. The earth dash go round the sun. We will add ES with alphabet O. We add ES with go. We will write here goes because earth is a single object. Number 3. Ducks dash the water. Ducks plural. So we will nothing add here. We will write here as it is love. Number 4. The flag dash fly in the wind. First of all, we will focus on the object. The object is flag. It's a singular object. So, we will add ES instead of Y. We will write here flies with the object. Number 5. Switzerland dash is a country. We are talking about one country. It's singular. So we will write here as it is. Number 6, the last one, cows dash eat grass. Cows mean plural. So we will write here verb eat. So now students, let's take a move. Workbook and the page number is 55. The same topic is grammar. We use verb in the simple present tense to talk about things that are always true. I'm going to read the statement. Fill in the blanks with a simple present tense form of verbs in the brackets. Number 1. Fish live in the ocean. We will write here live because the plural of the fish will be also fish. Number 2. The moon dash round the earth. So here we will add ES with the word go. So we will write here goes. GOES goes. Number 3. A rainbow dash form when it is sunny and raining. Rainbow single object. So we will write here forms. Number 4. A doctor dash help sick people. So look here, we are talking about a doctor. He is a single person, so we will write here helps by adding S with verb. The second last one, the sun dash set in the west. Sun is a single object. We will add S with set. So we will write here sets. Number 6. The train dash leave at 5 o'clock every Sunday. Train is a single object, so we will add S with leave verb. It will make leaves. The train leaves at 5 o'clock every Sunday.